សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube channel Dara. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to the Dara channel. Today I'm very happy to tell you the real experience of using adverb of frequencies in Khmer. In English you use like always, usually, sometimes, rarely, or seldom, or once in a while. A lot in English when you are talking about your something that you don't do much, okay? But in Khmer, actually we have all the translation for those adverbs of frequencies in English into Khmer. But in real life situation, a lot of people ask me, especially my friend who learns Khmer and who speak a little Khmer, my foreigner friends, they ask me, hey Dara, I don't hear many people use adverbs of frequencies in Khmer. So today I'm going to help you explain and how Cambodian people use adverb of frequencies in this language, okay? So there are two words that in my experience I heard a lot of people or hear a lot of people use it a lot in daily life activities. The first one that they use is here, rohod. I would translate this word like always, rohod. For example, you ask when someone asks you, how do you often visit your homeland? How often do you visit your homeland? In my experience, a lot of response I hear is rohod, to rohod. ខ្ញុំទៅលេងស្រុករហូត So ខ្ញុំទៅលេងស្រុករហូត mean I go visit homeland always. So the word rohod, I would say it's equivalent with tai tai, which you translate from the word in English for always. But in spoken, I believe people say rohod. Rohod. Okay? And the next one, that if they are not often or always go to visit their homeland, they will answer mansau. Mansau, I think the direct translation for this mansau is like not really. Not really. Maybe once in a while or two times a week when someone asks you how often, the same question, how often do you visit your homeland? They will say mansau. So mansau, it means maybe they visit their homeland maybe one or two times a month, something like that. So mansau, like not really. So this is the two words. These are the two words that I believe in real life situation Cambodian use the most adverb of frequencies. So these two are the most used in this language, okay? So again, rohod I would translate always, and mansau is not really. So the word always, usually, sometimes, once in a while, rarely, seldom, this only in like written paper, but in spoken, people not really use it a lot. So these two are the most common use in adverb of frequencies in Khmer. Otherwise, if they don't use these two, they would use term expressions to tell adverb of frequencies like 2 times per week or 3 times per month, something like that, okay? So I hope this short video will help clarify views how to use adverb of frequencies in Khmer. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching this short videos, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you have any questions, please write your comment below, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and have a good day. លីហើយអរគុណជម្រាបលា